Hey folks, finishing up the day here with going to CSSBattle.dev to do the daily target. Ooh, so surprising. I want to go nested. I don't know why I want to go nested, but I do. And so that's using the HTML element, which I just put orange on, and margins to do the various shapes that we've got here. All right, and I think I can do that with two conic gradients. I sure hope so. I'm saying that I can, but I'm not sure I really can. Let's find out whether we can. Okay, so the margins 2, 4, 5, 6, 61, 62, 50, 52. All right, that's what we get with that. All right, so what do we need to do this as conic gradients if we want to do it with conic gradients? And maybe we don't. I make mistakes. Conic gradient. The only way to start is to start. Let's do some blue. Conic gradient. Oh, I immediately think it's a bad idea, but I don't care. We're gonna do it. We'll do the red with a conic gradient. So 75% around. What do we want? What do we want? 75. We want transparent. That's what I want. 75%, and then the red 0, and we need an at, and it's kind of a tall rectangle. So what? It's at like 40 pixels, 80 pixels. More than that, and then we move it with background position 0, and then down 40 pixels or something, maybe 30. We'll turn on the diff mode so we can see. So it's a little wider. 5, 6, 100, and then we need a width on this guy. 100, 200, 260, 70, 80. Oh, no, too wide. 180. 190. 210. 220. So that's step 1. Is this a bad idea yet? It could be. Could be. Oh, you know what we could do? We can actually put... We can do blue as another part of this. Oh, no, I don't think so. Nope, I was wrong. All right, so now we need some more colors here. Right, and I'm questioning the way I've done it. Oh, well, what are you gonna, oh, you know what I want? Ah, that's what I want. So let's remove the background from the body. FF, okay. And I'm gonna put orange as, so this would be transparent to 50, and then orange. Oh, that should be 50, and then 0, 75%. There we go. So that's what I wanted to do. Aha. And then we've got another conic. So there's the second conic gradient. Conic gradient, which is going to be blue for 75% of its extent. And then transparent. And that also is going to have an at value. It's going to be similar, but not the same. It's not as wide. I think it might be 40. It might be 100 tall. And then, okay, we're going to put the orange back on the body, or the HTML element, I mean. Let's move this over. 100 pixels over. Great. And then down 30 pixels. Close. Not quite, but close. 10. On 20, and that's the two conic gradient solution. This absolutely could be done with many techniques. Let's minify and unit replace and see what the final score is for this particular solution for this particular puzzle. That's fine. I'm not going to do more. God, you do some more. There was a commenter, I'm forgetting your name, I'm sorry, proclaiming that they did a CSS battle and got a better score than me after many months of not ever getting a better score than me. To which I say, congratulations. I'm sorry, I blanked on your name. I didn't write it down. But hey, that's good. There's nothing that I'm doing that's magic. All this is code that you can write. This is absolutely code that you can write. CSS is for everybody. Everybody's got web browsers. They got web browsers on their phones. They got them in there. They're all over the place. And you can write CSS, and you can write great CSS, and learn to make pages, web pages, do what you want. That's really cool. All right. Be good to yourself. Be good to others. Go make a web page. Bye.